Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a refrigerator clean out video. Before we get started, I'm going to show an overview of my fridge. Please do not judge me. This is one area for whatever reason of my house that I just can never keep clean. So grab your cleaning supplies and clean along with me. If you like these types of videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into today's video. I had to show you guys this. Anytime my daughter doesn't finish a snack, she always wants me to put it in the refrigerator for her. Apparently, it stays safe in the fridge. Here, I'm soaking the drawers from the fridge with just some hot water and Dawn dish soap. Here I'm using the Lysol multi-purpose cleaner. I would recommend any multi-purpose cleaner when cleaning a fridge just because it kills the bacteria as well. Here I'm cleaning my Lazy Susans again with hot water and Dawn dish soap. I'm a huge fan of Lazy Susans. I think that they serve many purposes in different areas of your home. I personally have them in my bathrooms, under the sinks, and as well as in my refrigerator. here you'll start to see me organizing things into light categories. For one of my lazy Susans, I'm going to put beverages, so like protein shakes and any just like miscellaneous drinks that don't have a box or there's just like one left of. In this last lazy Susan, I'm just going to put condiments that I find myself frequently reaching for. All right, that's the end. If you guys like videos like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.